Hi, meteorologist Francis Payton from 13 News Now, and we have the latest update with Tropical Storm Fiona. Fiona continues to strengthen, and we actually do have tropical storm watches and warnings in place for Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands. We also have for the Leeward Islands, and now we have tropical storm watches for the Dominican Republic, and likely could see these actually get upgraded because Fiona is going to continue to strengthen and have almost hurricane strength winds by the time it looks to actually reach the Dominican Republic. But let's get a track of Tropical Storm Fiona. By Saturday at 2 o'clock, we're looking at that eye of the storm closest towards the U.S. Virgin Islands. Fiona will start to take on a northerly path as it's going to move throughout the northeastern portion of the Caribbean, looking to be near the Dominican Republic by Sunday afternoon. However, folks in the Dominican Republic are going to be feeling that punch by Saturday afternoon, as Fiona actually has a pretty wide system so far. So especially, I would say, for a tropical storm. So what we're watching with this, we're watching Fiona continue to strengthen throughout this weekend. It will move relatively slowly. So as far as the impact for us here at home, we're a good 4 to potentially even 5 days out for really understanding what we could expect for here. But for right now, we're watching things in the Caribbean. We're watching that system continue to strengthen, likely reaching hurricane strength by Wednesday afternoon. It'll be a Category 1 by Wednesday afternoon. And then what does that mean for us? So we're going to put things up in perspective. We're going to look at two systems, our most popular, the GFS or the American and the European model. So by Wednesday morning, the European actually still has Fiona just slightly north of Haiti, where the GFS actually has that trough that's going to bring us some rainfall, just few rain showers, I should say, for us here at home in the southeastern portion of Virginia, as well as the northeastern portion of North Carolina. Has that actually looking at that impacting this cell here in the GFS. So that's what the GFS is pulling, while the European has it just slightly slower. But let's look at a couple other models, put this with a spaghetti plot. As you can see, at least all of us agree that the system continues to stay well off our shore, so we shouldn't see a direct impact. Probably see some strong rip currents, I would say, by the end of next week. But as for now, we're watching things closely as Fiona is going to move throughout the northeastern portion of the Caribbean, and I'm looking to actually have a decent impact for folks in the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, as well as the Dominican Republic. Stay with us as we continue to track the latest with Tropical Storm Fiona.